Here's the 1989 YZ80. Got it pulled down to frame. Gonna get it cleaned up, hopefully paint it or powder coat it. About to pull the races out to replace those with the new kit. Got a bunch of new parts. We got a Pro Circuit muffler I got on sale. New air box because it was missing this hose. Got a new uni air filter in there. Some grips, rear sprocket. Got a front sprocket in here with a new chain, front tube. New steering, races and bearings. Grips, muffler packing. New top end. Got that all cleaned up on the head. We got our muffler. It's gonna have to be adjusted to fit. New gasket kit. We got a whole new set of DC plastics. So we'll see how those fit up. We got some decals in here somewhere. But it's all torn down. Swing arm, shock, bottom end. That's got to come apart and get cleaned up. Tank, rear tire. Looks like the brake shoes are in good shape. That's what you get when you got drum brakes. They last a long time. The rear tire was in good shape, so we got a brand new front to match the rear, because the rear still had the little nubbies on it when I first ran it, so it's still alright. Hopefully we'll be able to get these rims torn apart, cleaned up, possibly powder coated. Hopefully some new fork seals. But I gotta tell you, what really got me is I was checking my mail, and Cam, who's putting on this actual project, took time out of his day to handwrite a letter saying thank you and best of luck on this. And I saw this and I couldn't believe it, but I'd like to thank him for putting this on, and the sticker included in there, that's definitely going on the bike after it's finished. So shout out to him, and keep it prime.